Welcome to the Florida Insider Fishing Report.
Oh, she's
well, guys, it's been
Mama.
an awesome season. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you have great fishing adventures in the next couple months, and we'll see you in April, right? Bye.
It's time to break down the studio. And who's here to help us? Mia, are you here to help us clean? The cleanup starts now. Even the boss man works when it's closing time. One last look. It's been an awesome 26 weeks. Now all of this has to go to the office. See you, Dave. See you in 26 weeks.
Yes, you will.
Bye. Are you cleaning the Yeti? Or the plants? Wow! Oh, we finished! Fishing! First fishing! Give it to Ricky!
Who are you gonna give it to?
Clean up!
To Colin? You want?
Oh!
Clean up time.
Someone got a tagged
Put
redfish!
it in the bag. Hey. Oh, you're so gentle.
You ready for a job? Collect all the Yeti stuff.
Nice ride, man! Where you going with all those, Scott?
Hey, I'm making off with some cups.
Real legends. Someone can clear off the real legends.
That's my job.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. No problem. Alrighty, this is my job. It's been an awesome season having real legends. Time to go in the box.
You're getting old, Rick.
All the employees that misbehaved lost their heads, get stuffed in a box. So when you see Ridge next week in a cast, what?
Low center of gravity.
Watch out. Keep an eye on Ridge. I know he's gonna stick all those in his truck and go red fishing and offshore fishing, fishing for the next 6 months with all that. He gone. Busted! I see you guys stealing the Yeti, sticking them in the back of your truck, Colin. What? What did you steal?
Yetis.
All the you got
The
all
chair.
the Yeti stuff,
The
bro?
Oh!
Yeah, nothing like a drive with the last episode of Florida Insider Fishing Report. You just dropped it. Wow. We caught him. We got him. Just kidding. That's a YouTube show. This is the real drive. Goes to Fox Sun Sports tonight.
I'd like for you to say hello to my date for the night. I've been waiting all season to take her home. Alright, listen, guys, we're just gonna push that piece back there, and then we're gonna take this piece and just push this end to that end. Okay?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Over the boat. Over the boat. What could go wrong? Hey, so what? Were you pushing? Or were you just standing there for looks?
Moral support.
Moral support. Here we go, moral support. Look, see? It's not doing anything, it's just sitting there. Don't be fooled. All right, A for effort. It doesn't go easy. Just bang it with a wrench. That's how it's done.
Hair's going up. It's getting serious.
Scott's stealing the gaff. I got him. He's going fishing. Look, he's got his fighting belt and a gaff.
I'm gonna go do some damage.
He's gonna go free gaff some dolphin. Oh, tried to hide, but I got her. Rick's gonna put that 425 with another one on the back of a new boat. That's what I'm talking about. New contender.
Here. I can put that in here.
Hey, I bet you didn't know we had so many plants on the set. Plants for days. Plants, plants, plants. A whole dock full of plants. These cool little mangroves, they go under the dock with all our under the dock species. Bass, you know, got a sheephead, he's an under the dock fish. We got some redfish under the dock, got a little bluegill, he hides under the dock. Sea turtle, sure. Our catfish, he hides under the dock. Definitely not the hogfish. But yeah, plants. Freaking nobody got me a Red Bull. Nobody got me a Red Bull. Look, all the cool people have a Red Bull.
There's one over. There's one left.
It is 9:15 at night. And everyone's sipping Red Bull like it's no mañana. Look at all the glasses. Gone! They're gone! You know where that star goes in the show? Say it in the comments below. Maybe you'll win something. I don't know. Okay. See you next season. Star. Box full of plants. Oh, are you going to take these home and eat them? Vegetarian? All right, check this out. We're going to wrap up this empty can of Red Bull. Bubble wrap. Right, see? Red Bull can. We're just going to come over here. We're just going to pack it. Right there with the plants. Just leave it. Just leave it until next year. It'll be a surprise. Just don't tell anybody. It'll be our little secret. Weights up. Is that the correct time? Is that the correct time? Is that the correct time?
Safety first.
Safety first on set, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Been hitting the gym. Chest is too big for this life. Oh, in the gut. Definitely been hitting the gym. When you've coiled leader for a great majority of your life.
That way you can throw it. Tango
Bam!
stream.
That way you can.
Lock ropes?
That's still the Red Bull can. Before. After. The dock's gone. The boat's gone. Fish gets strapped to the roof, the grid, until next year. And they get stacked. Are those edible?
Your dad ate them at Diecast. Come on, try one. Do it.
Of course, the vegetarian would say it tastes like, looks like carrots.
Does it smell like carrots? It's like a little gummy bear. It's gummy worms.
These are long-lasting. It's like juicy fruit for fish. Juicy fruit for fish.
Gummy worm.
So what's inside a 425 motor, you ask? A bunch of gerbils. 425 gerbils to be exact. Safety first. OSHA approved. What's on his hands?
Yamalube.
Yamalube?
Yamalube gear oil.
Why is it on your hands?
Because when I dropped the chain in there, it went down the center of the motor and went into the lower unit, which is obviously full of oil.
So we have an empty shell of a motor.
We have no power.
Full of oil.
But we're full of oil. Lift it down a little bit. Yeah. Upper hand. Just tilt this. Okay. Gonna go up really slow, Ben. Go up. Easy, Ben. Easy, Ben. All we gotta do is get it over the edge. It's gonna go a little bit. You can just go. Well, I would incline this more. Not the bit more, right? Tilt back a little bit. Guys, if the thing starts to fall, get the hell out of the way. Okay?
Rocket science, baby. It's rocket science. All tucked away.